How to block someone on TikTok. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through how you can block someone on TikTok. So just go ahead and open the profile of the person you want to block. So if I want to block this person, I can just go ahead and open the profile. So when you open the profile of the person you want to block, just go ahead and click on the share icon showing just above your screen. When you click that, as you can see, guys, below you're going to be seeing where it says block account. So just go ahead and click that and block account. So click on that. When you click on that, it's going to give you some prompts. So just go ahead and let me screenshot this. So just go ahead and click on block. As you can see, guys, I have blocked this person. So another way to do it is to go to your messaging, your inbox section. In case the person you want to block is in your inbox section, just go ahead and open the person chat. When you open the person chat, go ahead and click on the 3-line icon showing just above your screen. When you click that, as you can see, guys, you can see where it says block. So go ahead and toggle the block icon. As you can see, I've blocked this person. So I hope this video is helpful. So if this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like